I purchased this BNB Rice Glow Kit online. In this kit it has 3 items. One is face wash, the other 2 is scrub and mask. First of all, I used face wash. It worked wonders on my breakouts and left me with a radiant glow. Then comes toward this scrub. When I tried the scrub, I was pleasantly surprised. It left my skin feeling super smooth and refreshed. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. Definitely a game changer in my skincare routine. Lastly, come to the final step. In this mask, I used rose water instead of plain water. Use your fingertips or a brush to apply an even layer of the mask to your skin. Avoid the eye area. Let it sit for the recommended time, usually around 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Enjoy the refreshed feeling. Stay tuned for the next video.